Hello! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT 3 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the crown button for about 10 to 15 seconds, basically until the screen turns off. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. And after 10 to 15 seconds, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And once you see the watch face again, this means that the watch is done booting. And that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.